So this is going to be probably my next project is the Revell Baja Bronco, Ford Bronco. Yes, absolutely. So let's take a look at what's in the box. Another quicker glance at the box art. Yes, that's very nice. It says it's a level 5 kit. Okay. Don't know if I'm going to do this paint scheme or not, but definitely an option. There's the body. Let's get all the packages out. Tires. Clear. Looks well molded. And then there's chrome. And there's the rest of that. So let's take a look at these sprues. Oh, quick, let's take a look here. Big set of instructions. Okay. It's the part list. So it's got 137 parts. There's the engine going together. The chassis. Okay. Not a lot of text in the instructions, mostly visual. Some text. Okay. There's the body. Got some detail molded into the engine bay. Okay. And that appears to be broken. I believe it is. I've got a broken kit. We'll have to see. We'll have to fix that. That's not, I wouldn't return it or about that. But we can fix that. Like if I had to, I can replace that whole piece. Yeah. Okay. The chrome. Do the chrome next. Bumper, wipers, grill, wheels. Mold lines are clean. There's not a lot of flash. Looks like this this mold is in good shape. Excellent. Let's see, got some tires. Those soft rubber tires. Clear parts. Again, mold looks excellent. There's no flashing that I'm seeing whatsoever. That's excellent. Let's see, there's some body panels, interior panels, hood, some seats. Again, the mold, excellent mold, excellent mold. Some more seats. So I'm not sure what that is. Roll cage, maybe? I don't know. Some smaller axle parts. Dash. Like a rear tailgate. Steering wheel. Again, these fine parts are very well molded. No flash to speak of whatsoever. Mold lines are pretty minimal. Don't break it. Chassis, exhaust, leaf springs. Looks like engine parts, valve covers, heads, engine block, transmission, spare tire, I guess, radiator, some shocks. Again, the mold on this kit is excellent. Excellent mold. Very, very, very impressed. Very happy with that. Let's see. When was this kit? What's the copyright on this kit? (2021). So this is a relatively new mold. So yeah, very good. Forgive me, I got a little ADD there towards the end. The Ford Bronco was first introduced in 1965, and according to the instructions, this body style was somewhere between 1971 and 1975. And there will be videos coming for this kit, so stay tuned. We'll get to those. Thanks for watching. Go make something.